Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your BlitzWolf wireless speaker with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you just have to use this power button and turn it on until this indicator starts blinking. Right now you can release that power button and simply go to the settings on your iOS device, and we have to go to the Bluetooth. Tap on the switcher in the right upper corner. Now take a look for the other devices list, and now you have to wait until your BW-WA4 speaker pop on the list. So click on it once, and after a few moments you will be successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.